Biodiversity refers to the variety of life forms on Earth, including species diversity, genetic diversity, and ecosystem diversity. The Amazon rainforest, home to an estimated 10% of the world's known species, is one of the most biodiverse regions on Earth. Coral reefs, often called the rainforests of the sea, support an incredible array of marine life and provide vital ecosystem services. Biodiversity loss, caused by habitat destruction, climate change, pollution, and invasive species, threatens the stability of ecosystems and the services they provide. The concept of biodiversity hotspots, identified by Conservation International, highlights regions with exceptionally high levels of species endemism and habitat loss. Ecosystem services provided by biodiversity include air and water purification, pollination, soil fertility, and climate regulation. The extinction of species, driven by human activities, disrupts ecological balance and can lead to cascading impacts on ecosystems and human well-being. Conservation efforts, such as protected areas, habitat restoration, and species reintroduction programs, aim to safeguard biodiversity and mitigate threats. Genetic diversity within species provides resilience to environmental changes and enables adaptation to new conditions. The Convention on Biological Diversity (CBD), adopted in 1992, aims to promote the conservation and sustainable use of biodiversity. Indicator species, such as amphibians and butterflies, are used to assess the health of ecosystems and the impacts of environmental changes. Biodiversity contributes to cultural diversity by providing inspiration for art, music, folklore, and traditional knowledge systems. Keystone species, such as predators or ecosystem engineers, play critical roles in maintaining the structure and function of ecosystems. Invasive species, introduced by humans to new environments, can outcompete native species and disrupt ecosystems, leading to biodiversity loss. Ecotourism, focused on experiencing and conserving natural environments, can provide economic incentives for biodiversity conservation in local communities. The Red List of Threatened Species, maintained by the International Union for Conservation of Nature (IUCN), assesses the conservation status of species worldwide. Bioprospecting, the search for valuable compounds in nature, can lead to the discovery of new drugs, agricultural products, and industrial materials. Ecosystem restoration projects, such as reforestation and wetland rehabilitation, aim to enhance biodiversity and ecosystem resilience. Traditional ecological knowledge, passed down through generations by indigenous peoples, offers valuable insights into sustainable resource management and biodiversity conservation. Climate change poses significant challenges to biodiversity conservation by altering habitats, shifting species distributions, and increasing the frequency of extreme weather events.